morning, students. Now see this one. Write down three consecutive whole numbers succeeding 72,597. So here they have given one number. We have to write three consecutive whole numbers succeeding the given number. Okay, what is the given number here? Note down that one first. What is the given number? Given number is 72,597. Now we have to write three consecutive whole numbers succeeding this number. So first consecutive number, succeeding 72,597. What is that one? 72,597 plus 1. Okay. Succeeding 72,597. What is that one? Second one. Already we got here 72,598. So now second one means already we got here. The next one is 72,598 plus 1. What is the answer now? 72,599. Now see the next consecutive, that is the last one, third consecutive number. Third consecutive number 72,597. What is that one? 72,599 we got here at the second time, and plus 1 will be 72,599 plus 1 means it will become 600. Okay. So therefore three consecutive, last line, write down final answer, three consecutive whole numbers succeeding 72,597 or 72,598 one number, 72,599 another number. The third one is 72,600. These are the three numbers succeeding the given number. Okay. Now see the next question. How many 6-digit numbers are there in all? Okay. In total number system, that is how many 6-digit numbers are there. So first we will write the largest 6-digit number. Okay. Largest 6-digit number equal to, what is that one? 99,99,000. Largest 6-digit number 99,999. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits only. So this is the largest 6-digit number. Now write down the largest 5-digit number, that equal to, what is that one? 99,999. Why we have taken this one? After this one, the smallest 6-digit number, what is that one? 1 lakh, right? This is the smallest 6-digit number. After that one we will go 6-digit numbers only, and this is the last 6-digit number, that is the largest one. Okay. So now to find out the total numbers, in between how many 6 numbers digits are there, from 1 lakh to 9,99,999, how many 6 digits numbers are there, we have to check here. That is the answer here. See, total number of 6-digit numbers equal to, from the bigger 6-digit number, we have to subtract the biggest 5-digit number. Understood? So if you subtract this one, you will see 9,99,999 minus 99,999. If you subtract this one, see 9 minus 9, 0, 9 minus 9, 0. Like that, you'll get zeros, and in the last one, 9. So what you get here? 9 lakhs. Okay. You will get here 9 lakh. Okay. Total how many? Total how many 6-digit numbers are there? Total 9 lakh. 6-digit numbers are there in the number system. Okay, understood? Total 9 lakhs numbers are there. Okay, good. So next problem, 17th one. First one, write all possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed by the digits 1, 3 and 7 using each digit only once in each number. Okay, while framing the number, we have to use these digits only once. Okay, only one time only we have to use these numbers here. So 1. So 1 taking first, and remaining numbers just I am interchanging these numbers. First I am writing 3, 7. After again starting with 1, interchanging just 3 numbers. Completed. Now again with 3. First number 3, and after that 1, 7. Just interchange 1, 7 as 7, 1. That's all. Next, see, starting with 7. 1, 3, 7, 3, 1. These are the numbers. So these are the three-digit numbers. Only these numbers only we get here. If you observe this one, all the digits we have used it one time only in one number. See, any repetition is there in this one? Any number? 1, 3 or 7 is repeated? No. Here, see, 1, 7, 3 is repeated? No. Only one time only we have used it here. Okay. So these are the numbers. These are the possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed by the digits 1, 3 and 7. Write down the same thing last. All possible 3-digit numbers formed by 1, 3 and 7 are 137, 173, 317, 317, 371, 713, 731. Okay, good. See the next problem, 18th one. Write the smallest 4-digit number that can be formed by the digits 0, 1, 3 and 6 using each digit only once. We have to use the given numbers only once, and we have to frame the smallest 4-digit number. Okay. So here they have given 4 numbers, so we can form the 4-digit number very easily. But we will arrange the given numbers first in ascending order. So already they are in ascending order only, 0, 1, 3 and 6. So write down the given numbers. The given numbers are 0, 1, 3 and 6. Starting with the least number. What is the least number here? 0. So start with 1 from 0. Starting from 0, 4-digit number. 4-digit number that starts with 0 is 0, 1, 3, 6. That is 136 only. But this is not the 4-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. So this will not be considered as the smallest one. Okay. Next go for next small number. That is next small number is 1. Okay. So 4-digit number with 1. 4-digit number starts with the next small number, that is 1. Okay. What will be the next one? 1. And the next small number among 0, 3, 6. Among this 0, 3, 6. What is the smallest one here? 0. After next smallest one is 3. And the next number on the list, last number is 6. So now what is the number here? 1036, 1036. This is the smallest 4-digit number that starts with 1. So again, if you observe this one, with 1 we can form 2 more numbers here. 1. So 0 in the next position 0, 3, 6. Right. And again 1, 3, 6. Here I will write 1, 3, 6, 0. And after this, I want to bring this 6 to the next position. 1, 6, 3, 0, 1, 6, 0, 3. And after this 1, 0, 6, 3. Among these three numbers, if you observe here, this is the smallest one only, see? Yes? So this is the smallest one. So therefore, smallest 4-digit number is 1036. Okay, these are the smallest numbers, that is with one we can form all these numbers, but among these numbers this is the smallest one. Okay, right. Next problem, 28th one. Write the greatest 4 digit of 4 different digits. We have to take 4 different digits here. So they have not mentioned any digits. We have to take any 4 different digits. With that 4 different digits, we have to frame the greatest number. Okay. 4 different digits we have to take. And we know, so to frame any number, we use only these numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only these numbers only we will use to frame different numbers, right? So among these numbers, 4 digits of 4 different digits, that we have to frame here greatest number. So we have to take the greatest digits only, right? So among the what are the 4 last 4 digits here, and these 3 only. These are the smaller ones. But we have to frame here greatest number. So we have to take the greatest numbers. Okay. So here greatest numbers are, here greatest numbers are 9, 8, 7, 6. With these numbers, what is the greatest number which we can form here? Nothing but with these numbers only, right? So these numbers are in a descending order only. So we can frame easily. First bigger number, what is that one? After this, what is the next bigger number among the 3? 8. Next, what is the bigger number? 7. Next one, see. So this is only, so if you write like this, or, so see 9, 8, 6, 7, 9, 7, 8, 6, 9, 7, 6, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 8, 7. So with the 9 as a starting number, these are the numbers we get here. So these are the numbers. But if you observe here among these things, this is the bigger one only. So the number must be, all the 9s are equal. So we have to check here, check for the next bigger one, that is 8 here. So 8 is there. 8 is in 2 numbers only. So 8 has 2 numbers here. Okay. So here 8 is 2 numbers, right? Next bigger number 8, that is in 2 numbers. These 2 numbers are bigger than among all the numbers. Next, if you go for the third digit, here we have 7, but here is 6. So among these 2, 7 is the bigger one only, right? So obviously this is the bigger number. So therefore, greatest 4-digit number of 4 different digits is 9876. Okay, this is your answer. Understood? Is that clear? Okay.